Welcome back to another Finger Lakes waterfall adventure. Today we will experience one of Ithaca's secret waterfalls close to downtown and near Stewart Park. A great place to stop and enjoy a picnic lunch or simply relax. With a 150-foot cascading waterfall, watch Fall Creek's final plunge into Cayuga Lake. Although swimming is prohibited, dogs are allowed in this park on a leash and there is no entry fee. If you are traveling from Ithaca, from downtown, take Aurora Street north about over a half mile to Lincoln Street. Turn right and then take an immediate left onto Lake Street. The falls will be on your right. Alright guys, our next waterfall in New York State, Ithaca Falls. So now we are in the town of Ithaca. It's very beautiful. We really hope you enjoyed our last stop at Cayuga Falls, which was 215 feet high. It's really amazing. Now we're going to take a short walk over to Ithaca Falls. It's another very picturesque location. So as you can see, this was an industrial center before, and they really harnessed the power of the waterfall.
I should have jumped on the...
So this is waterfall number 3 for today. Hopefully we'll be able to visit 8 waterfalls within Ithaca. The trail is very easy, with the best view of the falls from the bridge over Lake Street or the footpath adjacent to the creek. The trail is open year-round. All right, guys, let's go. With a drop of 150 feet and a width of 175 feet, Ithaca Falls is the region's most powerful and most impressive. By 1817, a half-dozen mills were operating here. Their ruins are still visible on the south bank. The plunge pool is famous among anglers for lake-run trout and salmon. Place is just wonderful here. Yeah, look at this. Looks like the families carved their names into the stones here. That's pretty cool. Oh my God. It's phenomenal. I hope you guys enjoyed Ithaca Falls. It was just stunning. This whole area is stunning. I love how it's carved out here by those glaciers millions of years ago. Thank you for watching today's travel adventure to Ithaca Falls, and stay tuned as we discover more pristine locations from around New York State.